Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today I'm going to share with you my unboxing of the Louis Vuitton CARRYALL MM. Why am I telling you what I'm unboxing? I've been talking about it on my channel for quite some time. After I did the 5 everyday bag tag by Melinda, it really made me think that I don't have an everyday work bag that's not monogrammed per se, as in a traditional monogram. And I realized that when I sold my Chanel GST, I kind of lost quite an element of my workwear wardrobe. I don't have a black bag anymore for work, and I think a black bag is really important. The GST I loved, but I felt like it didn't really suit my style. It was a little bit too done, and so I started searching and I found this video on TikTok. I'll put the link in the description box below, but I've watched it a million times and I thought that's a really cool work bag. Australia hasn't had the MM size yet. It's just come out, and I reached out to Meredith's sales associates, who I know are on top of everything, and said, hey, listen, can you let me know when this comes in, because I'm interested in buying one. They did, I did, and here it is. First things first though, I just want to say, if I look a little bit rough on this video, I'm not trying to be vain, but I know it sounds vain. 2 days ago I had a Clear and Brilliant Fraxel laser treatment, and I'm not wearing makeup. I've got some eye makeup on and some lips, but I've got nothing on my face besides sunscreen and creams and trying to pump the moisture in. So if I do look a little bit rough, that's why. Okay, so I was lucky enough to be sent the Kusama packaging. I have to say, this brilliant red with the silver is very, very beautiful, and the fact that the dots are on the inside of the bag as well is pretty cool. But we're not here about packaging, so I'm going to give you my genuine first impressions. I was so tempted to just open this, but I actually wanted to give you my genuine first impressions, so that is what I'm going to do. Alright, it's been a little while since we've had a Louis unboxing. December, when I bought my side trunk, and this one's got a great little knot in it, so we can just pull it off. So many people just slip their bows off. I mean, just YouTube how to retie bows. It's really easy. Okay, she's a big one. Big bags are coming back. I hope I love it. All right. Biggest dust bag. Wow, this is the first big bag I have bought. I bought my Sunshine Shopper up there, but I haven't bought a big bag in so long. It smells so good. Okay, here we go. Wow. It's actually quite pretty with this really large embossed monogram. It's like quite a pretty black bag. I like that. I'll tell you why I've purchased this bag, but look how big it is. I've got my laptop here because I want to use it for work, but I feel like it would be great for travel as well. I'm not usually a hobo person, but I think this is a really kind of, it's a great shape. The silhouette is good. It's not as boho-ish as the normal hobo bags are. So here's the leather up close. I'm really impressed. I love this little luggage tag on the front here. These kind of zipper pulls give a little bit of decoration. You can take them off. Looks like they're removable, but it's nice. Buttery smooth. You can take them off, but that's a really nice touch. Oh my God. Okay, the strap is nice and thick, but it has the adjustments down each side, so you can wear it over the shoulder, and see these little tabs here that tuck the little leftover bit aside, and you can wear it crossbody. Like, how good is that? On the top of the strap, you can see there Louis Vuitton Paris, and inside it has this gorgeous blue kind of suede. And this, I forgot about this little pouch. How beautiful is that? And it is detachable with a little D-ring, and there's a clip inside the bag. So many things to take us over here. I'm loving all the detail. This is a really nice finish. This will be a great work combo. I mean, I have one of these pouches with my Neverfull, but I think that this one is a little bit more next level. So there's the inside of the pouch, and you could, what does that do? Okay, so you could make it into like a little bag somehow, could you? I suppose you could put it on the zip like that. Yes, that's what I saw in the TikTok, I think. And then you can just use it to open. You could use it as a wristlet if you wanted. You can do lots of things, so that's really nice. Okay, then inside, I'm trying to see, it's very dark. All right, so inside we've got a big zipper compartment along the back. Let's open that, which is great for organisation. It feels so extra in here. And then we've also got two pretty big, I'm just feeling them because I can't see them, two pretty big slip compartments there. This is the product code. Can you see it? Hopefully you can. Cowhide is the leather. I'm really feeling this. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, because that's why I bought this bag, is to see if my MacBook will fit. So this is a MacBook Pro in the 13-inch, and no, it did not come in the color pink. This is a sticker. So let's put it in. Totally fits. Totally fits. Will I get an organizer? I don't know. I've also got my Remarkable notebook, which I love. And it's got a zip. How good is it? Okay, so I'm going to do some mod shots and I will talk through them. But the way that I really loved seeing how people style this bag is the fact it can be worn on the shoulder and it looks really chic. And I don't really like boxy structured bags, so for me that's what drew me into this particular piece. I also love the fact you can wear it a bit lower on the shoulder or you can crossbody it, and I think that's what will make it great for travel. So I have to say, like, just looking at it and feeling it, I feel like this is definitely a keeper, and I'm glad that I went for this. I was considering the On The Go GM. I think it's a beautiful piece, but it's just a bit structured for me. This one, I just love the done but undone nature of it, and yeah, I feel like it's going to be a win. So tell me, what do you think? I know it's been out in the Northern Hemisphere for quite a while, but not here. It would be great to know what your thoughts are. Is this something you expected me to get? Like 2 sensible bags in a row? What the hell? But yeah, I feel like even though I have so much fun with my handbag collection, I definitely do need to consider the everyday pieces, things that I can just grab and go and not really have to think about it, because there are some days you can't be bothered putting an outfit together. You just need to get dressed and go. So thanks for joining me. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe. Come back for more. There's always more. I usually put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays and sometimes some extras, so I would adore your face back in the comments on my next video. Until then, ciao for now.